Guys, Wink over here. Today is Saturday, June 13. I just got a call. No air conditioner, so we're gonna go and find out what's the problem over here. So usually, you know, I'm trying to tell people, hey, you know, we'll see you on Monday then. I sent somebody over on Monday, but no, this guy, Saturday he wanted to fix it. He said, well, you know, he said he wanted to get it fixed today, so.
Approaching left turn on Oak Terrace.
He wanted to get it fixed today. So I say, okay, it's fine, you know, extra fee. It's an extra fee because it's in the weekend. That's the way we do it. So that's where I'm going, guys. Stay tuned, and I will try to bring my camera and let you know what's going on this way. We're gonna fix it or not? Well, you want me out? That's no good. Sound like a blower problem. Let's see, take this off. Screw this thing. Sound like a blow problem over here for. Wire look good there. Okay. Check this capacitor over here. What's going on with this? Capacitor is not blown out, but I'm gonna check it anyway. Let's see how hot. Let's see how hot is the motor. The motor is not hot at all. You know, the motor is not hot. Well, we got it off, so. It's spinning too. It goes around. Okay, let me check this capacitor over here. Let's start there by checking this capacitor over here. Filter. That's a dirty filter right there. So check this out. capacitor. Check this thing out. I'm going to check this capacitor over here, see it's supposed to be 10 microfarad, so see right there, it's supposed to be 10, so this capacitor is good. There's nothing wrong with the capacitor over here. Yeah. So it sounds like we got a problem there with the motor. That's gonna be so sucks. That's gonna suck, man. Okay. Let's see over here. Let's go inside here. Let's take this off. Sounds like we got problem motor. All right. Oh, this is it, guys, over here. The motor's bad. I checked the power coming in. 118, and capacitor was fine. It's just the motor just give up. But I got the solution. He told me to go ahead and do it. All right, I'll give him the price. You know, today's job is going to run about $675 for today's job. So give him the price, and he said go ahead and do it. So that's what I'm going to be working now. I'm going to take the first stuff apart, put this baby on, and he should be okay. No AC. Alright, guys, let me put this thing together, and I'll get back to you. So this thing doesn't want to come out. Sometimes they come out easy, but this one doesn't want to come out. A little bit rusty there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little bit. Went right in. Just a little bit, because I think I don't like the wood. Smell nasty. Just a little bit. And then work it down. Then for that, I got this thing over here. What I did with it. It's called extractor pulley. So I'm going to connect this over here. It's an ultimate pulley. I believe is an ultimate dry shot pulley. So what you do, you drive this thing in all the way back, you set the shaft all the way back. Yes, put it all the way back. I haven't used this in a while. And I think I did back in 2008 or 6, I think I did a video about this. Pull it way back, and now I'm gonna have a chance to use. So I set the shaft all the way back in already. So now I'm gonna set. Hopefully I could get it. Go down some more, all the way back, so the shaft go inside there, because this shaft is a little bit too long, so it's going to go inside that hole there. And go all the way down. Basically, you pretty much want to set up flush with the wheel. You know, like that, and then you tight this 4-bolt, and right there I got it set up right nice. I don't know if you could see that. You see the way it's set up right there, all the way down to the end. So now I'm going to tighten this screw here pretty much evenly. Right, I'm going to put this thing back over here, so I work with my 2 hands. So lift it up a little bit so you have a little plate. That there, that there. Right, so I got that wrench there we use. This is the key wrench over here. You're going to make sure you don't lose this, because you lose it, you got a problem. So it's an olive wrench. Too tight. It costs about 25 bucks, something like that. You know, I hardly use it, but when I need it, I have it, you know. Had it for a long time. It don't have to be too tight. Now you get a big adjuster wrench. I found one. And hold this thing back over here and get you another wrench over here, and then you start.